today we have the 2017 Ford Edge. This vehicle has done just over 79,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel tank. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right we have voice control. On the first page of our screen we can access emergency assistance, navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. On the second we have voice control, ambient lighting, our vehicle settings and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have heated seats on either side, as well as our AC. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof.